Hello, this is part 2 of the video in which I discuss various diseases that affect the human eye. These diseases are going to be presented in order that they affect the outermost area of the human eye to the innermost layer of the human eye. First we have corneal dystrophy, which affects the cornea. Corneal dystrophy involves the buildup of a blurry material in one or more layers of the human cornea. This results in blurred vision and often excruciating pain for the individual. Often, corneal dystrophy starts out in one layer of the cornea and gradually affects all 5 layers. The condition is genetic and affects both eyes in the person being affected. Here we have a healthy human eye. How healthy? Well, you can tell this cornea right here is new by looking at these black stitches I'm pointing at. This is a cornea that's been recently grafted onto a living person. Remember in the previous video I said a cornea is the only part of the human eye that can be taken from a dead person and grafted onto a living person to restore sight? Okay, and here's an eye affected by corneal dystrophy. This yellow-orangish material was that blurry material I was telling you about that can form in one or more layers of the human cornea. Next, as we go inward, we have the cataracts. This individual has one healthy eye, and the other eye is clearly affected by cataracts, as you can see with this orange, yellowish, round structure found in the center of his eye, which is a cataract. Cataracts are a buildup of a protein on the human lens which interfere with the lens's ability to refract light. Symptoms include blurry vision, decreased night vision, faded color vision, trouble seeing bright lights at night. Interestingly, cataracts, often when they occur in elderly individuals, it leaves them no longer needing to use reading glasses for up-close reading, despite their distance vision fading. Finally, we have diabetic retinopathy. This disease of the retina is a result of excess sugar building up in the blood vessels that nourish the retina. The vessels often burst, as you can see in this diseased retina here. These red blotches are the blood that's leaked out from popping veins. With there being less blood feeding the retinal cells, a lot of these retinal cells tend to die, and that's where you often get blurring vision and, if not, excruciating pain. Thank you for paying attention, everybody. It was my pleasure, and if you're wondering who the face behind these videos are, here he is. Take care, everyone.